Welcome, my name is Douglas and I'm going to be unboxing this GL.iNet Slate 7 travel router. We can start a guide, all the travel, international plugs. Ours will be this one. And then here's the Slate 7 router. Open that. Here's a Ethernet cable and USB Type-C to Type-C USB cable. And then here's the actual travel router itself. Here's the antennas. It's a USB Type A 3.0, USB Type-C, power delivery 5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt, LAN 2.5 gig, and WAN 2.5 gig. Alright, that's my unboxing of the GL.iNet Slate 7 wireless router. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll see me in the next one.